Quick review on this Purr Rugs doormat. As you can see here, I've got it laid out, just took it out of the package. The crease will disappear with a little bit of use. It's a fairly low pile rug. Doesn't have a really high buildup, but yet it's still very soft. If you're gonna stand on this in bare feet, it would feel very, very comfortable. It's a little bit like carpet, so you will be able to sweep over this to keep it clean. No problem at all there. On the back, we've got a nice non-skid surface, rubber here, and nice stitching all the way around the perimeter. Overall, it's just a nice rug. Everything seems very good quality. Nice even design that's gonna lay out nice and flat and look really good. How absorbent is this rug? If we take some water here, I'm just gonna kind of simulate some wet snow on this rug. As you can see, that really absorbed up that water really quickly. And you'll notice here on the back with this rubber, there's no way that water is gonna penetrate through there, so it is going to completely protect your flooring underneath from any kind of water damage. Now you'll also notice the look stays pretty much the same, even though this is completely saturated with water right now, it still looks good overall. So I think this is a nice rug. If you're looking for a doormat, this would be an excellent option.